This is the patented Spyder Rapid Core Eject Arbor assembly. It uses a torque pin setup, so it can use anybody's hole saw. This Rapid Core Eject system is super easy. Other hole saws, you gotta get out your screwdriver and dig and pry to get that core out. The Rapid Core Eject, push a button, pull it back, grab the core with your hand, and toss it. Sometimes I need to make a hole at an angle, and you just can't do that with a standard hole saw. This Spyder saw, I can actually pull the Arbor back, start a hole, use that as a pilot, and then complete my hole at an angle. It's crazy. Sometimes I mess up and drill the wrong size hole, or that hole's already there. A regular hole saw can't enlarge a hole. Sometimes I'd have to put a piece of wood behind it, screw it in, center punch it, and then drill with a hole saw. This Arbor system is great. I can just grab a second Arbor, and now I can use the hole saw size that's already there to enlarge a hole. It's like a pilot.